My tumbler has about 5 or 6 coats of Hyperion on it, and I've sanded it smooth, so now it's time to apply this vinyl wrap. For perfect sizing, especially around the seam, I always wait and measure my tumbler right before I want to put the wrap on. I use one of our tumbler tape measures from Better Call Mall Craft Shop to get perfect measurements every time. Once I have my measurements taken, I input them into Silhouette Studio, and I cut this out with my Silhouette Cameo. I personally prefer not to bring the vinyl all the way up to the top of the rim, so you'll see that it does come a little bit short. Next, I'm taking a piece of my transfer tape and I stick it to the table and then line up the wrap underneath of it and lay it down. And then I like to remove the backing of the vinyl and put a piece of wax paper there instead. It will not stick to the wax paper, but doing this allows it to be more transparent, so when I go to line it up on my tumbler, I can see through it. This beautiful rose gold chrome vinyl is Tech Wrap brand. It goes on so smooth, it weeds so smooth. I get my Tech Wrap vinyl from Gets Crafty. Code BCM will save you, and I'll have her linked in my description. And now here you can see why I like to put the wax paper behind my vinyl instead of the white backing, so I can see exactly how those rose lines are going to line up at the seam. And I just keep adjusting it and playing with it until I'm happy with how it looks. And then I'll start removing that wax paper. You can see it comes off nice and easy, and I'll begin laying down the vinyl. If you have any kind of transfer tape or anything that's still on your tumbler like I did here, make sure that you do pull that back before you come around with the vinyl so that it's laying directly on the tumbler and not on top of that transfer tape. So usually I will get part of the wrap on and then go take care of that right away so I don't forget. I'm gonna speed the rest of this up. If you watched me do this live, you know I was kind of struggling with my transfer tape, wanting to pull the vinyl back up. The transfer tape I have is really tacky, which typically is a good thing, but it can be a struggle sometimes. I even did stick it to my shirt a couple times just to kind of relieve some of that tackiness. The last thing I'm going to apply to this tumbler is one of my custom UVDTF tumbler care instructions. We print these in-house along with all of our UVDTF products. We offer them in several different sizes, and you can choose either black text or white text. If you'd like your logo in the middle, you'll simply upload it when you're ordering, and then I'll send you a proof for you to approve before I print. And our turnaround time is super quick with custom orders. All that's left to do now is to coat this tumbler with Hyperion Epoxy-Free top coat. I'll apply several layers 2 hours apart, probably 6 or 7 more layers to finish this cup, and sanding after the 3rd or 4th layer. And this is the finished tumbler. You can see that gorgeous Hyperion shine. I absolutely love how this tumbler turned out. In fact, I kept it for myself. But let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.